So guys, we are all here tonight for JavaScript, which is supposed to solve problems, but sometimes when we are working on some solutions to certain problems, I realize that we create other problems and also some side effects. For me, one of these was the fact that I spent most of my days in front of the computer coding in JavaScript, TypeScript, whatever, you name it. And as a result, also, unfortunately, I slouch quite a lot and I have huge problem with bad posture. And even though I know about it, I always slouch. And I was thinking, like, how can I solve it? Luckily, I have some friends who are physiotherapists and I ask them about, those things like Pajączek, if you are aware of this, like, there are a lot of, supportive and reminding devices. However, the thing is that most of them, like, despite the fact they are not comfortable and so on, they are also weakening your muscles most of the time, not even making them stronger. That's how I actually came up with building my own solution to my own problem. That is super simple app, and yeah, I've been building for almost a year so far. Even I managed to gather a small team around it, and I was quite shy about publishing it, but why not? Maybe some of you will find it useful, so who knows. So with that, I would like to show, and I will just share my screen. I think we can see it right now, probably, yes. So this is our app, Straighty. You can just check it out. We are just at the straighty.app. So what it does, basically just reminds you about your posture. By the way, just for the record, we are not startup. We don't have any money. We are not funded. We don't have any VC fund. Nothing. Just like a simple hobby project that we've been building for almost a year right now. It's completely free. So if you want to check it, thanks to JavaScript right now, we have also a very basic version on the online, so you can just check it how it works. But for the full version, let's say, we have only the Mac OS version right now on the Mac Store, Apple Store. I just published it a few days ago. As you can see, we are still today third, so I think quite nice, but just in Poland, so yeah. So if you'd like to check it out, I can just open the app and show you how it works, and basically that will be it. By the way, that's interesting because I'm sharing my camera and it will use the camera actually. And as you can see also, it's quite light, just 6 megabytes, so not that much. Yep, so let me just turn on the app. And that's all. So for example, I stand in front of the computer. That's my desired posture, just, so shoulders and neck. Unfortunately, we don't have the possibility to check your legs, which are also important, but that's still good enough. And for example, like that, I don't want to stand like that. That's all basically, You can also mirror yourself something like a debug where you can just check it, what's going on here. I can also run the app in the background like that. And for example, imagine just I'm just doing something like that, I don't know, for example, some of my Swift code here for the app. So, and we can just stand like that for a couple of seconds. I will get the notification probably because I'm sharing right now. It's not visible, but there will be, yeah, here's the notifications you can see. Yeah, so that's all basically. Nothing else than that. Yeah, if you like it, if you find it interesting, please just check it out. We would love to, but this is the battery saver mode. We also have this link here, so we would really appreciate your feedback, because what's the point of building if there are no users? And maybe if you even like it or don't like it, just let us know. That's all. Thank you so much.
Warsaw.